If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Qapital, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation effectively. Step 1. Open the Qapital app. Launch the Qapital app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once you are in the app, locate the Transfers section. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard, where you can view all your recent transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Look for the pending transfer that you wish to cancel. Pending transfers are usually marked clearly so you can identify them easily. Step 4. Select the transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Once completed, you should receive a notification confirming that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on Qapital. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Qapital's customer support for assistance.